Good morning, my dear children. Today, let's discuss about the different types of budget. What is this? Different types of budget. So, we have discussed about the different types of revenue receipts as well as the revenue expenditure, isn't it? Yes. Now, it's time to discuss about the different types of government budget. First, we'll take into account the deficit budget. So, the word deficit may be more familiar to you, right? Yes, last year also you studied about the word deficit as well as the excess, surplus, isn't it? Right. So, these are the different words that we have studied earlier. So, in this deficit budget means here also when the government expenditure exceeds the government receipts in the budget, it is said to be a deficit budget. What is this? When the government expenditure exceeds the receipts in the budget, we can call it as a deficit budget. So that we can, in simple manner, we can explain it as when the revenue is less than the expenditure of the government, it is said to be in deficit. And what are the government deficit? The three types of deficits are there. The first one is revenue deficit. The second one is fiscal deficit. The third one is primary deficit. Revenue deficit. What may be the revenue deficit? Revenue deficit refers to the excess of revenue expenditure of the government over its revenue receipts. So, children, revenue deficit means it refers to the excess of revenue expenditure of the government over its revenue receipts. So, children, the formula to find out the revenue deficit equals, you have to deduct the total revenue receipts from the total revenue expenditure. Once again I repeat, what you have to do to find out the revenue deficit, you have to deduct the value of the total revenue receipts from the total revenue expenditure. We will be able to calculate revenue deficit. The second one is the fiscal deficit. Fiscal deficit is also defined as the excess of total expenditure over the total receipts. So, the formula to find out the fiscal deficit is the value of the total budget receipts net of the borrowings minus total budget expenditure. Once again I will repeat, children. See, these three terms are actually slight differences only there in the calculations. So, please listen to this. The revenue deficit means that the value of the revenue receipts you have to deduct from the revenue expenditure. The second one is the fiscal deficit. Fiscal means we know that it is related to the government, right? So, that is also the excess of the total expenditure over the total receipts. There also the expenditure is more compared to the revenue. And the formula to find out the fiscal deficit equals total budget expenditure minus total budget receipts net of borrowings. That is related to the budget. It's not the revenue one. What all the expenditure I told you about, the expenditures of the budget. Plan expenditure, development expenditure, isn't it? Yes. Here also that all the expenditure minus the total budget receipts, isn't it? Revenue receipts of the budget we have studied. So such receipts net of borrowings. Net of borrowing means what the thing we have borrowed, that is actually what? It's a liability, right? So that we have to what? Minus from that. So this is the way to calculate the fiscal deficit. The last one is the primary deficit. Primary means it's actually the difference between the fiscal deficit of the current year and the interest payments on the previous borrowings. So for some other purposes we would have borrowed for, yes, from the government we would have borrowed for some other purposes. So for that what we have to pay? We have to pay interest for such previous borrowings. So what we have to do here, it refers to the difference between the fiscal deficit of the current year and the interest payments on the previous borrowings. So the formula to find out the primary deficit equals fiscal deficit minus interest payments. So we would have already calculated the value fiscal deficit, or the value would be given in that problems. So from that value we have to deduct the interest payments. So what all the money we have borrowed from, that we have to pay interest. So such values of the interest we have to deduct from the fiscal deficit. So we will be able to calculate the primary deficit. So children, these are the different types of deficit. And the budget, the first type of budget is the deficit budget. So children, I hope this is clear for you. Next is the other types of budget. Which are the other two types of budget? Balanced budget and surplus budget. Balanced budget means we know that the government, they have to what? In the budget I told you the components are the revenue and the expenditure. So there we have to maintain a balance between the government receipts as well as the government's expenditure. Such a budget is known as balanced budget. The government budget is said to be balanced budget if estimated government receipts are equal to the estimated government expenditure. So here the receipts actually minus from the expenditure. And the next one is about the surplus budget. Surplus budget means here what happens, you know, it is actually the contrast to the deficit budget. What we have studied in the deficit budget, the revenue is less than the expenditure. But here surplus budget occurs when the revenue receipts are more than the estimated government's expenditure. Then the budget is termed as the surplus budget. So the term surplus means, the word meaning is excess. So what is here in excess? The revenue receipts are there in excess. So that is regarding the surplus budget. So children, once again I explain which are the three types of budget: the balanced budget, surplus budget, deficit budget. And the balanced budget means that we have to maintain a balance between the revenue receipts as well as the government's expenditure. The surplus budget means that the estimated government receipts are more than the estimated government's expenditure. So there also in excess it is what? The receipts. But deficit in contrast to the surplus one. There the revenue receipts, the estimated revenue receipts are less than the estimated government's expenditure. So such a budget is termed as deficit budget. So children, what all we have discussed now is different types of budget, and which are the three types of deficit arises: primary deficit, fiscal deficit, and the what? Yes, it is the actually the primary, and the deficit arises to the last one also. So children, I hope the explanation what I have did for these types of budget is clear for you. Thank you children for watching this video.